Hello everyone and welcome to Style Challenge. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a cartoon called SpongeBob Squarepants. Let's get started. Alright, so interesting fact about SpongeBob Squarepants. The first episode premiered on May 1st, 1999. That's actually quite a long time ago now. So the first thing that I look at as I look at this character is his shape. SpongeBob is a square, just like an actual sponge. It's that crazy. So I'm looking at how his square is done and his perspective. You have, looking at this character from this angle, you can see two perspectives, the front where his face is, and then you also have the side. So it actually makes it really easy to draw him because it's just, a 2-point perspective square. So I do a quick sketch of him, get all of his features and the shape, and then I start doing those little wavy bits that he has on his sides to make him look more organic. Then here, I actually use the color picker in Photoshop to just grab the colors from the photo that I'm referencing. That makes it a lot easier for me to get the right colors that I want to use, and just helps me speed up my process, which is, great thing to do. And I just am doing these outlines here. SpongeBob is very interesting because the actual sponge part of his head has a different outline than the rest of him. Even his arms and legs are outlined in black, but his head has this kind of yellowy green outline. I also used some of the other tools in Photoshop, like the circle tool, to help with the eyes and getting them perfectly round. It took some work with the layers and getting them right so I could put the circles in the right place. I eventually just decided to merge the layers and erase the parts of the eyes that weren't gonna be in the lines. Part of my process as I illustrate in Photoshop is I use the paint bucket tool. As you can see here, I just pick the color from the reference and just drop it in. Makes it a lot easier to fill colors, especially with a character like this, who just has really flat colors. Makes it a lot quicker to illustrate. And I do a few final touches. His cheek is a different color than the bottom of his lips are, so if you're doing this too, just kind of watch out for that. They're different shades of red. And then I just do the final touches here on his socks and his shoes, and I actually decided to do a bit of an environment with this one. So I had pulled up a different reference on the side on Google and just looked at kind of how the background in the show is, flowers and stuff. And then I did some noise in the sand to give it that kind of sandy texture that you see. Alright guys, so this is how you draw SpongeBob Squarepants in the cartoon style, just like from the TV show. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you did, and subscribe if you aren't already. That will help my community grow, and we can bring more people here, which would be awesome. Thanks for watching, you guys, and have a wonderful day. See you next time.